What's going on, everybody? Today we're doing Wolfmother Woman. This is a good lick. If anything, it has a lot of hammer-ons, if anything. So go ahead and grab your guitar, electric or acoustic for this one, and we'll get started. Okay, guys, let's start off with this. Okay, so that's going to be out of the first part of the riff. So what we're doing is we're going to use a power chord, and we're going to be starting on fret 7 with that first finger on string 5. Power chord with that ring finger is going to happen on string 4, fret 9. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to mute the 6th string by lightly touching it, not pushing down, but touching the string on the bottom of it and muting it as I'm playing this chord. So when I strum, if I hit that 6th string, it's not a big deal, like this. And it just mutes itself out. Okay, so with that being said, 7, 9 right there, power chord, 5th and 4th string. That's your strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Then that's your speed. Now we're going to go into this next part. Now this next part's a little trickier because of the speed of it. From right after you play that, you go right back into that power chord. So what we're doing here is we're starting on fret 5 of the 6th string. You're going to pluck it once, hammer onto fret 7. So 5, pluck it on string 6, hammer onto 7. Then I use another down pluck, and I go to fret 5 of the 5th string. Now for this part, you're going to just abruptly stop that string once you hit it. Okay, and then you jump right back into that power chord. So it's going to go like this. And that was the speed right here. So putting those two together, so now a little faster. See, that's exactly how it should be played with the song. But you don't need to start there. Remember, you can always slow this down. Work on attaching it together. Now on the third time, we go into... Okay, so what that is just power chords. Fret 5, string 6, fret 7, string 5. Then to 3 to 5. So string 6, fret 3, string 5, fret 5. Okay, right after you hit that, you go right back into the riff. So that equals 1 right there. Okay, then it's just gonna happen a couple times. Okay, get used to that. Now remember, you can always break this down into smaller sections. That's one section. That's 2 sections. And then of course you can also do it like this. You could tie that in. And then of course from here to the second part. And that's a very important tie, because right from here you go right back into that power chord. Okay, so the next part, that part is just power chords again. It's going to be fret 5, 6th string, 1st finger. Fret 7, fret 7, string 5, 3rd finger. And then from there you hold it out for a little bit. Then you don't slide up. Then you move up to fret 8 and 10. So 8, 1st finger, string 6, fret 10. 5th string, 3rd finger. This can happen twice. Now here, you have a change. So what we're going to do is fret 7, 1st finger, string 6, fret 9, 3rd finger, fret 5, string 5. That happens once. Then you move it up to fret 10 and 12. 6th string, 1st finger, fret 10, 12, 5th string, 3rd finger. That's going to happen once, and then it jumps back into the beginning. So it's going to go like this. The whole thing. Oops, wrong fret. Then goes right back into that riff, okay? So overall, everything, gonna play a little slow. That's gonna happen a couple times, and from here, we go. Back to the beginning. Alright guys, that is it for this guitar lesson video. I feel there's going to be a part 2 to this. I think I'm going to cover the whole song for this one in 2 parts. So keep that in mind. And if anything, if you're looking for more help with playing guitar, I'm a Skype guitar instructor, and you can learn more about that at mountainsideguitar.com. Shoot me an email there and we could get you started on some guitar lessons with me. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next guitar lesson video.